Hey guys, I'm just here doing a blow-off situation. I'm not going to call a company out or anything like that, but just a local water down company. Let's see what they got going on here. So, see how they got all their vents cut. Obviously, you guys know that's not the way you cut vents. Should be going up a little higher than that. Got lots of shingles dropping. I don't know if that was like that, if it slid down or what, but it's really poor quality. But anyways, I just wanted to show you the main thing and why I'm here. So we got blowing off caps. You guys want to take a guess why the caps are blowing off? You got it. Hey, how many times we talk about this? People nailing like this and this, that and that, up high above the tar line. That's why they're blowing off. So, like I say, go here and here, here and here. Okay, so I'm gonna go get some caps and put that on, and then get the fuck out of here. Okay, so I got the replacement caps up here. Again, that's where your nails go, and your nail and caps. The reason you're seeing this caulking here is because when you're putting any kind of new material added on to old material, it's this tar line is never going to seal anymore. It's been compromised, so you got to self-seal it. How you liking this for poor workmanship? Not running their shingles all the way over to the hip. So now when people do shit like this, that's a single layer of shingle on there now. Just a single layer. That's gonna break down so much faster than this, and then these are gonna leak. And look, they even notice it, and they just cocked over their nail heads. I'm gonna have to get myself. I think I'm gonna go to Staples today. I'm gonna buy myself one of those that was easy buttons, so I can hit that every time we do a service call. This shit is easy.